Alyssa, tell me what you're doing right now to the camera.
Say?
What are we doing today?
Well, today we're just looking through our thing, looking for bugs. Are you recording me? Okay. We're looking for bugs inside of this thing. We're trying to separate them into different categories and trying to figure out which bug is which and how many different kinds of bugs we'll see, so we can figure out about a little bit more about the Sand Creek environment.
What do you think you've seen so far? What kind of bags? Want to show me?
Well, we've seen some snails, and as Marion said, Jesus spiders. Is that what she said?
I think so.
God spiders, which is the ones that crawl on water.
Crawfish or whatever it's called?
We've had crawfish, we've had fish. There's some over here. We've had snails.
Show me.
And here goes some snails right here. And to me, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but to me it looks like right there that they've had a few eggs multiplying. And if you look in this one right here, there's some bugs that are moving around.
Ew.
And then there goes the spider we were talking about, but I think he died. And then those are some eggs. We don't know what kind of eggs they are though. So that's pretty cool. And then we're just looking at all these things to see if we find anything else. Somebody said they thought they saw a leech, but I don't think so.
Okay, thank you.